Pixie Playground.
Welcome to our farm. Today we're going to meet some friendly farm animals and learn the sounds they make. Are you ready? Let's go. First, let's meet the cows. Cows make a sound that goes like this. Moo! How many stomachs does a cow have? A, 1B, 2C, 4. Cows have 4 stomachs. Great job if you guessed it right. Next, we have the chickens. Chickens say cluck, cluck, cluck. Did you know? A hen can lay about 300 eggs a year. Now let's visit the pigs. Pigs love to oink. Oink, oink, oink. What do pigs love to do to stay cool? A. Roll in the mud. B. Sit under a tree. C. Swim in a pond. Pigs love to roll in the mud to stay cool. Over here we have the sheep. Sheep say ba, 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 ba. What do we get from sheep? A. Milk. B. Wool. C. Eggs. We get wool from sheep. Great job. Over at the pond, we have ducks. Ducks say quack, 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 quack. What do ducks have on their feet? A. Hooves. B. Paws. C. Webbed feet. Ducks have webbed feet, which help them swim. Did you know? Horses can sleep both lying down and standing up. Did you know? Horses can sleep both lying down and standing up. Let's say hi to the donkeys. Donkeys bray like this. Hee-haw. What do donkeys help farmers do? A. Plow fields. B. Lay eggs. C. Spin wool. Donkeys help farmers plow fields and carry heavy loads. And here's our loyal farm dog. Dogs say woof. Woof, woof, woof! What do dogs help farmers do? A. Chase away pests. B. Herd sheep. C. Both. Dogs help farmers by herding sheep and chasing away pests. Don't forget the cats. Cats say meow. Meow, meow, meow. Did you know? Cats have excellent night vision and can see in almost total darkness. And here we have the peacocks. They call or scream. Call, scream! Do you know? Male peacocks use their beautiful feathers for attracting a mate.
Thanks for joining us on the farm. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun videos. See you next time.